coconuts. If we try to walk through the blowing sand, we'll get knocked off our feet for sure. Achoo!
Captain Flynn, I bet this is the place you were sneezing. We must be getting closer to your ship. Achoo!
I must have been blowing this away and that away before I got through. Achoo!
Achoo! Let's all link our arms. That'll keep us anchored down, so together we can get through the sandstorm.
All right, we got through the sandstorm and we got 3 more gold doubloons. Let's grab them and go keep looking for Captain Flynn's ship.
Captain, it's a sandstorm. Stop!
Never, Smee. We must catch up with Flynn.
Ah!